Hello and welcome to Literatures of English 201. In today's lesson we will look at the play Winter's Tale by William Shakespeare. This book was first published in 1963. As you read the text you will be able to find the similarity between the lives of individuals in the 18th century to those living in the 21st century. As we begin reading Act 1 we are introduced to the theme of friendship. Theme is defined as the central theme in a play. In the opening scene we see that Leontes' servants, Camillo and Archidamus, are speaking about the childhood friendship between Leontes and Polixenes. These two persons begin to set the stage of the play, for they are foreshadowing on events that are occurring later down in the play. It is at this point that themes and motifs are introduced. As you continue to read, make a note of other themes that you have found in the play. After you have finished reading Act 1, share your answers with others using the discussion post.